Hello my friends, welcome to another video, and this time around I'm gonna give you a short tutorial on how to enable ultra-wide video recording on your OnePlus 7 Pro using the ultra-wide lens. So as you already know, by default you cannot use video recording with the ultra-wide lens on the OnePlus 7 Pro, but I'm gonna show you a small hack how to enable it, and this is why we are in the dialer app. So first things first, you don't have to be rooted, you don't have to have a custom recovery installed, you don't have to have a custom ROM to enable this. It works on a stock OnePlus 7 Pro. So go to the dialer app and start dialing star hashtag 1597 hashtag star. And as you can see, we are in the camera app. Let's go to video mode, and right now by default it's set on the main sensor for video recording. You can video record in ultra wide using 1080p and 30 frames per second. So if you want to enable the ultra wide lens, you need to go to the selfie camera, go back, and as you can see, after returning in the menu, now it's using the telephoto lens. Press again on the selfie switch button, and now you have ultra wide video recording enabled. This is the hack, this is the trick that you need to do in order to use wide angle video recording on the OnePlus 7 Pro. And another thing to mention, if you clean the app from the app manager, you will always have to dial that code in order for you to start using again wide angle video recording. So this may be a problem for some of you, but at least you are able to use the wide angle lens to take videos. OnePlus is already working on a future software update to implement this feature. I honestly don't understand why they didn't enable it from the beginning. I've seen on the community that they are making a poll to see if people really want this. I don't get it why, but if you're not willing to wait for that update, this is the hack, this is the trick that you can use and start shooting wide angle video with the wide angle lens on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So as you can see, this is how it looks, and I'm gonna post a short clip shot in this mode at the end of this video, just to show you how good it works. So remember, star hashtag 1597 hashtag star, and then do the following steps that I just showed you in this video. Enjoy using your wide angle video recording on the OnePlus 7 Pro, and as always my friends, be safe, be good, see you in the next one. Peace. This is a quick test with the OnePlus 7 Pro shooting wide angle video with the wide angle lens using the hack that I've previously showed you in this video. So it works really great, it works just fine, and I'm gonna start using this feature a lot more. See you in the next video. As always, be safe.